Good morning students. Today first I will discuss about the questions that is based on previous video. Question number 1. It is a high speed network that connects LANs in a metropolitan area. Options are LAN, MAN, WAN, PAN. Answer will be MAN. Next question. The hardware used to transmit data across the network is called media, client, computer or cable. Answer will be cable. Next question. In star topology, the device is placed at the center where all other nodes are connected. Answer will be hub. The amount of data that travels over a communication channel sometimes is called bandwidth. Data transmitted on a ring topology travels from device to device in one direction. Next, the concept of zero was introduced by Aryabhat. Next question. Decimal format is converted into binary form using computer. The computer only understands binary language or binary code. There are 2 digits in binary number system. So students, today I will teach you chapter More with MS Access. In this chapter, you will learn about queries, types of queries, how will you create a query in design view. So first, I will start from query. Queries are a way of searching for and compiling data from one or more tables. Running a query is like asking a detailed question of your database. When you build a query in Access, you are defining specific search conditions to find exactly the data you want. Query displays the data from the table in new way, such as stored by a certain field or filtered to show certain values in a field. It is used to extract information from a table. Suppose you want to search an information to satisfy certain criteria from a large table with thousands of records stored in it. This type of problem can be handled by query very easily. Each query functions like a question that can be asked immediately or saved to be asked later. In design view, a query appears as a grid at the bottom of the window, into which you drag fields from the table or tables. What is the use of query? A query is used to retrieve selective data based on specific criteria from one or more tables. Example, you design a query to display the names of all the students who secured more than 90% in an examination, or a query to find out the details of the customers who made a purchase in the past month. Here you can see how will you create query using design view. First, what will you do? Have to create query. Types of query. To view, change and analyze data in different ways, the queries can be used. There are several types of queries in MS Access. Select queries. It is the most common type of query that retrieves data from one or more tables and displays the result in datasheet form. Parameter queries. It displays its own dialog box prompting you for information such as criteria for retrieving records or a value you wish to insert in a field. Cross-tab queries. It is used to create summary view of data for easier analysis. Action query. It uses just one operation to make changes to or move many records. Its various categories are append queries, update queries, delete queries, and make table queries. Next, you will see here how will you create query. First, what will you do? Have to go to design tab. Okay. Means here you can see how will you create query using design tab. First, what will you do? Have to go to design tab. There you will select query. Okay. What are the steps to create a simple one table query? Select the create tab on the ribbon and locate the queries group. Then click the query design command. Okay, this is query tab in queries group. Click the query design command. Okay. Access will switch to query design view. In the show table dialog box that appears, select the table you want to run a query on. We are running a query on our customer. So we will select the customers table. Here you can see customer table. So you have to select this customer table, then click add, then click close. Okay. The selected table will appear as a small window in the object. Relationship pane. It is called relationship pane, object relationship pane. In the table window, double click the field name you want to include in your query. They will be added to the design grid in the bottom part of the screen. In this example, we want to mail invitation to customer who live in a certain area. So we will include the first name, last name, street, address, city and zip code fields. Okay. Next step, set the search criteria. Set the search criteria by clicking the cell in the criteria row of each field you want to filter. Typing criteria into more than one field in the criteria row will set your query to include only results that meet all criteria. If you want to set multiple criteria but don't need the record shown in your result to meet all of them, then type the first criteria in the criteria row and additional criteria in the all row and the rows beneath it, because we want to find customers who either live in Raleigh or in the 27513 zip code. We will type Raleigh in the city field and 27513 into the or row of the zip code field. The quotation marks will search these fields for an extra match. After you have to set your criteria, run the query by clicking the Run command on the Design tab. The query result will be displayed in the queries datasheet view, which looks like a table. If you want save your query by clicking the Save command in the Quick Access toolbar, when prompted to name it, type the desired name, then click OK. Here you can see first what I will do, access, MS access, or you can write here access. Okay, here you can see have taken student database 1, enable content, unfortunately there is no content. Yes, so you have selected all these tables. Okay, here you can see the data in this table, student information. Now you want to create query, go to create tab. There you can see query design. Okay, query design. I will select this table. Okay, now in table part, what will you do? Have to select table, student information, and field name, okay, and address. Okay, what will you do? Go to run command. You can see the running query, or you can see the result after running query. Okay, Now here you can see how will you create query. Homework for today is name the latest version of MS Access. Write the full form of DBMS. Write the full form of RDBMS. Name two views available for creating a table in MS Access. Thank you.